When you enter the vast world of photography, you want to try to capture every beautiful moment's exquisiteness with professional quality. This is definitely not as simple as just holding any camera. The quality of your pictures will rely on the quality of your equipment, and for that, you would need to heavily invest in every new accessory. But what if you could get a hold of these quality tools at reasonable prices? Wouldn't that be awesome? At HARROPE, we are committed to offer the highest quality at the lowest cost. After more than 4 years of dedication in the design and manufacturing of sliders, and after 3 years of selling the S1 model, we have received and implemented a number of suggestions that have enabled us to upgrade our product into a new motorized slider with a panning motor, the S2. We have paid attention to every detail, maximizing the product's quality for better results, without compromising on the finishing and on our commitment to maintain the best prices. The S2 slider is capable of recording videos with complete fluid movements. Fluency itself has been our constant obsession from the beginning, and the results are just like we had anticipated. Thanks to the double bearings per wheel, we've achieved fluid movements, as smooth as butter. You can fix it at any desired position, thanks to its adjustable legs and hooks for tripods. With the option to hook 2 tripods on the edges, it's much more stable than when using a single central tripod. It's a robust industrial slider. Every part is tailor-made, from aluminum for a lighter weight, with an added black anodized coating. The S2 slider includes 50 and 100 cm long tube railings so that you can install the best option for your needs. 20 mm diameter tubes are also available for purchase at any hardware store at any desired length. This means that now you can have a slider that would fit in your bag so that you can easily take it with you on trips by adapting any 12-volt battery to the controller. To simplify things, we've designed it by modules that can be easily dismantled without tools. However, if anything sets us apart from the rest of sliders in the market, it's our product's ease of use. The controller has been programmed for a completely intuitive use and easy handling. It's an independent controller, so you won't need to install an app or use the phone Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and it runs perfectly with a startup time of less than 1 second. Free move mode. Turn the knob 1 or 2 levels and the slider will slowly reach the target speed. Turn it in the opposite direction and it will brake slowly. Video mode. Set the starting and finishing point as well as the sliding time. As simple as that. The movement is precise and you can repeat it as many times as you want with a loop option. This way, you can take identical footage and easily achieve the special effects by using After Effects. Time-lapse mode. Operating the time-lapse mode is equally as simple as the other modes. Set a starting and finishing point. Each knob regulates the position of a motor. Next, indicate the number of pictures that you want to take and the time in between shots. The total recording time will appear automatically on the screen. The slider is precise and achieves sharp results without trepidation thanks to its shoot, move, stabilize, shoot system, which is especially useful for night and long exposure time lapses. It is becoming more and more common for people to make their own motorized sliders, but it's actually quite usual to find complications, mostly from the electronic side, since strong programming skills are required to get proper results. Following our philosophy of providing means for the best results at the lowest cost, we have included adapters with our product to make our controllers compatible not only with our sliders and motors, but also with any other step-by-step motor or DIY slider. This way, you can get a DIY motorized slider or a motorized crane for time-lapse and video, for example, and enjoy our controller's full power. Electronic devices are becoming more economical and new technologies are becoming more affordable for most consumers. But in the audio-visual world, we keep spending a fortune for products that are now available at much lower prices. HARROPE has always wanted to offer a complete professional product for less, and we've managed to do this. Thanks for watching.